Okay, here they have given the next example. This is somewhat different type of example. Given here they have given a table of x series and y series, means mean of x they have given, SD of x, mean of y, SD of y they have given. Mean of x is 18, mean of y is 100. SD standard deviation of x is 14, standard deviation of y is 20. Okay. Next one more term they have given, that is r is equals to 0.8. They are asking write down the equation of the lines of regression. By the given data we need to write the line of regression equations and hence find the most probable value of y when x equals to 70. After writing regression lines, we will find the value of y when x equals to 70. Okay, given, what are given here? First write down. It is here given x bar is 18, y bar is 100. Mean is nothing but x bar, mean of x bar, mean of y bar. And xd, sd means sigma x, it is 14, and sd of y, sigma of y is equals to 20. Right? Okay. Next r they have given, r is equals to 0.8. R is equals to 0.8. Okay. They are asking equation of lines of regression. Consider equations of lines of regressions. We have standard lines of regressions. Okay, by given data we need to find lines of regression. Okay, here we have, that is y minus y bar is equals to r into sigma y upon sigma x into bracket x minus x bar, right? Okay, substitute here y minus y bar is 100, y bar is 100 and r they have given it is 0.8, sigma y they have given it is 20 upon sigma x it is 18 into bracket x minus x bar is 80. Simplify this one. After simplifying we will get the required line of regression. After simplifying, here we are getting y is equals to, or one more term let me write, y minus 100 is equals to. First simplify this term. After simplifying, here we are getting 1.14 into bracket x minus 18, or y is equals to, here we are getting 1.14x plus 79.48. This is one required equation of line of regression. Okay. Next one more we have, and x minus x bar is equals to r into sigma x upon sigma y into bracket y minus y bar. This is one more standard equation of line of regression. Substitute the values. X bar is 80 is equals to 0.8 into bracket sigma x. Sigma x is 80 upon 20. Sigma x is 14. 14 upon 18. Oh sorry, here it also it is sigma x is 40. 14. Okay. 14 upon sigma y is 20 into bracket y minus y bar it is 100. Y bar is 100. Okay, simplify this one. After simplifying, here we are getting x minus 18 is equals to 0.56 into bracket y minus 100, or x is equals to 0.56 y minus 38. This is one more required equation of line of regression. Okay. First one is y is equals to 1.14x plus 79.48. Second equation is x is equals to 0.56y minus 38. Okay, this one part is over. Next they are asking what? Hence find the most probable value of y and x equals to 70. Okay, let us consider this equation. Consider this equation to find the value of y. That is y is equals to 1.14x plus 79.48. Here substitute x equals to x equals to what they have given? 70. Substitute 1.14 into 70 plus 79.48 when x equals to 70. That is y, the value of y is 159.28. This is our required value of y when x equals to 70. This is different type of example. Here they have given x bar, y bar, standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y, and correlation coefficient. Okay, they are asking to find line of regressions. These are our required lines of regressions. And one more term they are asking find the value of y when x equals 70. That is y is equals to 159.28. These are the required answers.